Clothes. Heera KIM. Heera KIM worked on creating textile crafts and installations that would provide viewers with an opportunity to empathize and activate their imaginations by utilizing various types of objects easily found around us in our daily lives, in a bid to break through the limitations of standardized works and exhibitions. The artist repeatedly cut or transformed clothes as an object to reduce their availability centered on wearing and alter their functionality into a target for appreciation and observation while installing them in the exhibition space. Individual viewers can find not only sensory pleasure, but various meanings through each piece of the clothing displayed depending on their own disposition or experience, and can imagine how everyone would coexist in one space, one city, and one world, where these works are installed.